welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to fix mustard and turnip greens. So for this recipe, you need mustard and turnip greens, and you're going to need a country bone, which I have already boiled. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have a piece of country ham, or you can get a bone, either one. I have pieces of country ham, which I have boiled. So that is the white film that you see. So all I'm going to do now is just take my turnip and my mustard greens, and I'm going to place them in my pot. And right now, I have my eye on 4. That's just because I was cooking my bone. I cooked my bone on low. But I'm going to turn my eye up on high because I want to bring my greens to a hard boil. And I'm also going to add some crushed red peppers and a little salt to my greens. So let's add a few red peppers. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little salt, and I'm not gonna add too much because 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna have to add more to it once it cooks down to give it a little bit more flavor. But that's it for now. The only thing I'm going to do is just place the top on it, and I'm going to allow it to come to a hard boil. So now we're going to check our greens. And as you can see, they are cooking. They are at a hard boil. That's what you want. I have a good amount of water in there as well. So I'm just going to continue to allow them to boil until they boil all the way down. That's probably about another 25 to 30 minutes. So all you want to do now is just place the top back on and continue to allow it to cook. Now we're going to check our greens. So it's been boiling on high for 30 minutes. So now all you want to do now at this point, you can, add whatever other seasons you may add. I'm just going to add a little salt. I'm just going to add just a little salt. And just a few more red peppers, fresh red pepper. And I'm just going to stir it up. It still has a good amount of water in it. I know it's a lot of steam and it's hard to see. Let's see, can I get the camera down in here without fogging up? It's a lot of steam. I have a good amount of water in it, so I don't have to add any water. So now all I'm going to do is turn my eye down and allow it to cook on low for like maybe an hour, because I want my greens to be tender. I don't want to be chewing and chewing and chewing on them. I want them to be nice and tender. So I'm just going to turn them down and allow them to cook on low until they get nice and tender. And within that hour, I'm just going to occasionally come and check them just to make sure it has enough water in it. What you want your water to not necessarily like cover it, but you know, just make sure you have enough water in it, about this much. You see, I have some greens it's not covered, so it's like just a good amount of water in it. And you want to just constantly, you know, occasionally, not constantly, occasionally stir, just to make sure that, you know, your greens are not sticking. And that's it. We're just going to allow them to cook. Our greens have been boiling for about 45 to 50 minutes. They look good. They are tender. So all I'm going to do now is pull the water off. So now that I have strained all the water out of my greens, what I normally do is I place them, keep them in the strainer, and I take me a flat spatula like this, and I chop them before frying. So I'm just gonna chop them up. So I'm going to get my frying pan. So now that I have chopped my greens, I have my frying pan set on 6, and I put 1 tablespoon of bacon grease in there. And I'm going to drop my greens in there to fry them. So now I'm just going to fry them down a little bit. So our greens have fried down. And so we're just going to turn the eye off. And that's it. If you want, at this point, you know, if you want to add, you know, any more salt or pepper or crushed red peppers, you know, you can at this point. So there you have it. That's how you cook turnip and mustard greens. that's the end of my mixed green video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, comment, and like below. And as always, bye.